Yo, what's up guys? We have made it to the Mecca of motorcycles, the most famous motorcycle rally in the world, Sturgis. Sturgis, baby, let's go! Look at this place. Dude, we got bikes and bikes and bikes and bikes and bikes. I might be the only Kawasaki, and I definitely am the only Asian dude here. Dude, just feeling it. Going down Main Street. This is so sick. This is one of the craziest moments of my life. Dude. We hit it. This is it's so sick. Oh, it's awesome. Dude. This is crazy. This is crazy. I wasn't even planning on coming here. It just worked out like this. Dude. Sturgis, baby. The one and only. Wasn't planning on it. Look at that, big boy. There you go. Oh, sheesh. This place is crazy as fuck. Oh, this place is crazy. Oh, a lot of Harleys, a lot of Harleys. This is crazy. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, it's great. This place is freaking insane. Ah. Dude. Hell yeah, motherfucker. That's just a spot right here. Ooh, Ah. I'm gonna go for a little stroll around, get some souvenirs. Look at this one next to me. We got the massive speakers and gigantic 20-inch ape hangers. And then my baby right there. Still good. Better. I like it better. Pause. There's more. These little choppers here. I'm talking about little ones. And good people working here. You're good people. Want to go in and say, oh, got everything you need.
Today's marketers report.
A lot of, oh, hey guys, how's it going? Just, hey, here it is. Summertime in Sturgis. That's very true. I know. Whoa! Thank you, Sturgis. It has been a pleasure. Oh man, I had no clue this was going on this weekend, and it just fate worked out this way. And there's a dog behind me on the motorcycle.